a Southwest Airlines passenger jet taking off, given the go-ahead to use the runway.
Two passenger planes almost collided, coming within 1,000 feet of each other.
Obviously, any type of safety incident in aviation gets a tremendous amount of press, but we've actually had a lot of situations out there, runway incursions, wrong routing on taxiways, all of these things that really impact safety tremendously.
MITRE is connecting the aviation community with low-cost solutions to ensure the safety of all airport services. Our team has developed 2 prototypes to prevent runway incursions, one for pilots and one for air traffic controllers.
MITRE developed an application that runs on a tablet computer. It works similar to the navigation systems people use every day in their vehicles. This is a system that helps pilots find their way from point A to point B. Instead of writing down their instructions on a notepad, the pilot can just enter their instructions into the tablet and it'll give them turn-by-turn guidance to lead them to the correct location. We developed a second prototype that was aimed at tower controllers. Surface radar systems are very expensive, and those exist at only 8% of the towered airports in the United States. So we wanted to create a low-cost solution for the other 92% of the airports to improve their surface situation awareness and help them with algorithms to monitor the pilot's compliance to the route.
Both prototypes run on commercial off-the-shelf hardware, which include an iPad and an ADS-B receiver that captures aircraft location information. Using digitized surface maps and operational awareness, the prototype helps controllers digitally generate taxi routes. The air traffic controller simply selects the aircraft's current position and desired destination, and the prototype will offer route options. The controller can easily modify the suggested route or build a custom route from scratch. Once the route has been assigned,
ATC message.
The prototype monitors the aircraft's movement for compliance and alerts the controller of any deviation.
Taxi deviation.
If both tower and aircraft are equipped, the controller can transmit the assigned route directly to the pilot's application, which can then be loaded to receive turn-by-turn navigation guidance.
In 50 feet, turn right on Echo. In 300 feet, turn left on Juliet.
It's exactly what we need. It is low cost, can fit into the budget, but also can fit into a timeline where we could actually address issues that we're having problems with today in a very rapid sense.
The best of both worlds is when you can bring these 2 applications together working in concert. You make a wrong turn along the way, both the pilot and the controller are notified right away so they can fix the situation.
I so much appreciate how MITRE approaches problems, and also MITRE brings in industry to partner to be able to develop these technologies, and then that's going to be the primary means with which we really reduce runway incursions. I can see this dramatically dropping the number that we have because it's just so easy.